So here we have following values as a variable. Glass 1 contains water, glass 2 contains juice, and glass 3 contains milk. So what we are asked to do, to put milk in glass 1, water in glass 2, and juice in glass 3, right? So for that, if we need to change fluids of one glass into another, we can't put directly into another as all glass are filled. So we need an extra empty glass, right? So we will store value in our temporary variable. Glass 4 will be our empty glass and we will put water in our glass 4, and currently water is in glass 1, right? So glass 4 is equal to glass 1. Now our glass 1 is empty, right? So what we need to put in our glass 1? Milk. And milk is currently in glass 3. So glass 1 equal to glass 3. Now glass 3 is empty as we put its fluid in glass 1. So what we need to put in our glass 3? Juice, right? And juice is currently in glass 2. Now our glass 2 is empty. What we need to put in our glass 2? Water. And water is currently in glass 4, right? As we stored value of glass 1 in glass 4 at our first step. So now we will print our values. Glass 1 contains glass 1, right? Glass 2 contains glass 2. And glass 3 contains glass 3. We will run our code and here our desired output. But we need to put in our glass 1 milk. Glass 1 contains milk. Water in glass 2. Glass 2 contains water. And juice in glass 3. Glass 3 contains juice, right?